Hello guys, let's just start working on solving some quadratic equations and I will be using quadratic formula for it. So let's just start with the question number 1 over here. So here's the question number 1. As you can see, it is 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. So actually the standard form of a quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So I will compare them with each other, right? After comparing them, as I can see, a is equivalent to 4, b is equivalent to negative 12, c is equivalent to 9. Now I'll put those values into the quadratic formula. It is x equals to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac, all of it divided by 2a. 2. Now put all the values into the quadratic formula over here. Minus b means minus into minus 12 plus minus radical b square means minus 12 squared. 4a is 4, c is 9. All of it divided by 2, 8. A is 4, okay? So now I need to simplify it all. Alright, as I have less space, so I'm going to move it to this side so I can get more space and solve my questions over here at this place, okay? So now as this negative sign over here is going to be making it positive 12 plus minus radical. What is minus 12 square? Minus 12 square is equivalent to 12 multiplied by 12. So 12 multiplied by 12, that's equivalent to 144. Minus 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 multiplied by 9 is 144. All of it divided by 2 times 4, that's equivalent to 8, right? So now, as you can see, 144 will cancel out with other 144. So I will be left with x equals to 12 plus minus 0, right? Divided by 8. So by this way, x is equivalent to 12 over 8. So x is equivalent to, if you simplify it, that should be 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 2 is 8. That is the solution for the very first question that we have. Alright, so let's just move towards the second question over here, which is 6x squared plus 5x minus 25. So I'm going to just start with it now. So again, a is equivalent to 6, b is equivalent to 5, c is equivalent to minus 25. Put the values into the quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac, all of it divided by 2a. Now putting the values into the formula over here. Minus b means minus 5 plus minus radical 5 square minus 4, a is 6 and c is equivalent to minus 25. And all of it divided by 2 into a, which is 6, right? So now here we have minus 5 plus minus radical 5 square is equivalent to 25, right? 25 minus minus plus 4 times 6 and times 25, that's equivalent to 600, right? All of it divided by 6 times 2, that's equivalent to 12. So if you solve it further, minus 5 plus minus 625, right? So if I radical it, I'm gonna be getting 625 radical, that's actually 25, okay? So x equals to minus 5 plus minus 625 radical is equivalent to 25 over 12. By this way I will get x equals to 1 times 5 plus 25 over 12, and 1 time I can write it down as x equals to minus 5 minus 25 over 12. By this way x is equivalent to 20 over 12 and x is equivalent to minus 30 over 12. You can further simplify it as well if you want, okay? So that's it for the question number 2. Now I'm going to move towards the question 3 real quick. Question number 3, we have to rearrange it first, right? So I'm going to just start on this place so I can have enough space to solve this question. 2x squared plus 18x plus 39 equals to 0. So I've rearranged it, okay? So a is equivalent to 2, b is equivalent to 18, and c is equivalent to 39. Again, I'm going to put everything into the quadratic formula. B squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now x is equivalent to what is b, that's 18. So I would put 18 over here, plus minus 18 square minus 4. Sorry about that, let me adjust it. 18 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is 39. All of it divided by 2 times a, which is 4. Right? So x is equivalent to minus 18 plus minus radical 18 square. So 18 times 18, that is equivalent to 324 minus 4 times 2 times 39, that's equivalent to 312, all of it divided by 4. So if I subtract them together, I will get 12 as my answer for 324 minus 12, right? So now I'm left with x is equivalent to minus 18 plus minus radical 12 over 4. So 12 radical is decimal value, so I'm not going to be moving into the decimal this time. So radical 12 over 4, and x equals to minus 18 minus radical 12 over 4. If you want, you can further simplify after that as well by simplifying radical 12 and then solving it, okay? I'm going to just keep it till this point and I will be moving towards the next question, right? If you get it till this point, it is still correct, but you should be further simplifying it if you need. So if you want me to further simplify this question, please give me a comment on the comment section and I will solve it for you guys, okay? For this one, as you guys can see, a is equivalent to 2, b is equivalent to 15, c is equivalent to 28. So now x is equivalent to minus b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? The quadratic formula. So I'm going to just put the values directly. Minus 15 plus minus 15 square minus 4ac divided by 2 times 2, okay? So x is equivalent to minus 15 plus minus radical 15 square. Alright, 15 times 15, which is equivalent to 225, minus 4 times 2 times 28, that's equivalent to 224. I will get back to that question that I left, okay? And I will provide you the answer. But till that time, you have some extra minutes and you can just solve this question all by yourself, and you can tally your answer with me, okay? Okay, so let me just finish it. X is equivalent to minus 15 plus minus radical 225 minus 224, that's equivalent to 1 over 4. So as we know that radical 1 is also 1, so one time I will get it with positive 1 and the other time I will get it with negative 1. So here I will get x is equivalent to minus 14 over 4. You can simplify it further if you want, and for this one I will get minus 16 over 4, which you can simplify as well, and that will be equivalent to x is equivalent to minus 4, okay? Now I'm going to be moving towards the last two questions. For this one, as you can see, it's a is equivalent to 9, b is equivalent to 4, c is equivalent to minus 16. So I'm going to put them all into the quadratic formula. I'm writing it down one more time if in case you guys are confused. All of it divided by 2a. Now I'll be putting them into the values. I'll be putting all the values into the quadratic formula. Minus 4 plus minus radical 4 square minus 4 times 9, and then c is minus 16. All of it divided by 2 into 9. So x is equivalent to minus 4 plus minus radical 16 minus, okay, that will become plus, okay, 4 times 9 times 16, so plus 576. All right, so all of it divided by 18. Now x is equivalent to minus 4 plus minus radical 592 over 18. So now if I take the radical of it, it converts into a decimal number. So one time I will get minus 4 with the plus sign of 24.3 divided by 18, and one time I will get it as x is equivalent to minus 4 minus 24.3 divided by 18. Okay, so that is x equals to if I just subtract 4 from it, 24.3 minus 4, that's equivalent to 20.3 over 18. Okay, you can further like simplify it as well. Okay, but I'm just leaving it till this point so I can move towards the next question. 24.3 and it will become minus 28.3 divided by 18. Alright guys, so now let me just move towards the sixth question over here. For this one, as we can see, a is equivalent to 15, b is equivalent to 4, c is equivalent to negative 4, right? So now x is equivalent to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equivalent to minus 4 plus minus radical 4 square minus 4 times 15 times negative 4, all of it divided by 2 times 15. I hope you are understanding it. So x is equivalent to minus 4 plus minus 4 square is 16 minus minus plus 4 times 15 times 4, so it's going to be plus 240 over 30. Okay, so minus 4 radical 240 plus 16, that's equivalent to 256 over 30. So now if I take radical of that number, it's gonna convert x is equivalent to minus 4. Sorry, I forgot to put plus minus over here. So it's going to be equivalent to 16 divided by 30. So now I've got two options. First, I will write it down as minus 4 plus 16 divided by 30. And second time, I will write it down as x equals to minus 4 minus 16 over 30. So x is equivalent to 12 over 30. And x is equivalent to minus 20 over 30. So guys, I've solved all the questions over here now. So you can even have a look of all the questions available over here, question 1 till question 6, and I hope you understood the whole lesson about quadratic formula, solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So if you understood the lesson, please give it a like to this video, and if you need more video lesson about solving quadratic equations, please give me a comment into the comment box. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.